起步先
呢個起步一定要取消，呢個起步一定要取消。
啊？
有啲問題啦，起步嘅
係啊，
時候咧，
我哋見
騎手
到2號啊，
騎
梁偉漢咧就停咗喺度啊，工作人員示意佢話行啦行啦，咁佢
咪雖然後邊嘅工作人員就係舉咗6旗就示意咧可以係開始，不過燈號未着啊，咪睇下大會點樣安排啦。
而家帶出嚟嘅就係羅康正，我想問下呢場賽事可能會要重新起個 start 啦。
因為咧起步咧就係發生咗個混亂嘅情況啊。咁我記得舊年啊3分方程式第2回合咧喺起步嘅時候咧，車手都誤會咗呢個司令員嘅一個指示啊，咁咧就令到呢個賽事咧就係起步嘅時候出現混亂。點知今日咧仍然第一場賽事咧即刻出現呢個場面啊！嗰個形勢相當混亂喎，因為咧有啲快車咧喺後邊起步，咁有啲慢車係一早就彈咗出嚟。而家領先嘅即係51號嘅羅康正。睇嚟賽會就冇乜表示喎，
暫時我哋望埋佢都冇乜表示啊。咁啊，正常嚟講，雖然話電單車新手賽啫，咁但係大家都有一啲嘅比賽經驗㗎啦，冇理由話見到燈號未着。咁究竟今年嘅指示係點樣啦嚇？因為舊年已經係令到我哋好混淆啦。咁就係啲燈號啊，紅燈要等幾耐先着，綠燈先至正式開始咧咁樣。
嗱，講到燈號啦，其實大會嗰個主席啦，阿安棟梁先生咧，都話根據係國際汽車聯會嘅規例咧去做嘅，就唔係咧話澳門去採用嗰個燈號去指示咧嚟到係去做嘅。所以今年嚟講咧，亦都係根據 FIA 嚟到係去搞呢啲賽事㗎。
咁啊，而家我哋咧望埋喺大港台對面咧，就見到啲司令員咧就喺度仲喺度拗緊步，就討論緊頭先咧起步嘅時候嘅旗號嘅指示啊。
咁啊，而家形成咗咧就係51號嘅羅康正就彈出咗啦。
咁跟住佢嘅咧就幾多號啊？52號喎。
52號毛童仔。
溫廣留喺第2位，兩位香港車手咧就彈得出嚟先。
究竟事後會唔會話有 objection 啦嚇？咁樣彈出法咁樣偷步，
我啊真真正正認為賽會對於呢啲咁嘅燈號咧，認真要清晰俾啲車手知道，然後先至得㗎。
因為頭先起步嘅時候出現一啲混亂咧，就係架50號車咧，佢咧就太
首先跌咗落地先
機個位嗰度起步，因為佢自己翻到嚟咧就死咗火，於是咧佢想托着架車，就將個車推咗去前邊，想褪翻後嗰時候佢就跌咗車，咁個賽會係幫佢拉翻去後邊，但係仍然都唔係喺自己個位嗰度起步嘅，咁好可能咧就係後邊嘅司令員咧覺得佢未排好位咧就唔發6旗，點知後邊前邊嘅燈號咧就示意出發。
好啦，而家就見到車咧已經係翻緊嚟啦，差唔多完成咗第一個圈㗎啦。
咁我哋睇見咧就仍然係應該係51號帶頭嘅呢個52號啊，呢位嘅溫廣流啊。
好啦，翻返嚟啦，一個圈啦。羅康正啊
，2位，第3位㗎，咦哇！呢個梁偉漢都追得好快，因為佢咧喺起步嘅時候咧遲咗好多先出發㗎，停咗喺度，司令員入手叫佢去佢先去㗎，咁佢而家咧就已經可以追得上第3位同頭車啦，距離4.575秒啊！反而梁玉彩咧跌咗落去第5位。
澳門車手李志坤10號。
咁我啊
講喎咁快啊！
係啦，咁啊頭先呢，就杜漢仔咧就起步係比較慢，但佢都能夠追翻上嚟。咁阿飛哥照你咁睇佢咧，咁杜漢仔有冇機會追到羅康正嗰啲咧？
而家啱先開賽之前一個圈已經跌到咁高上嚟啦，佢絕對有機會上到去前邊嘅。
阿飛哥你啊比較有經驗啊，咁樣嚟講咧起步明顯係好有問題啊，但係如果賽後會唔會有啲問題咧？
咁正式嚟講，如果係其他車手係要向賽會complain 嘅 protest 嘅話咧，應該賽會應該考慮睇睇應該好好嚟處理呢場賽事嘅。
其實好明顯係睇到係起步有啲問題嘅。
係啊，大家睇到啊，好明顯㗎係。
今朝早咧我哋出嚟嘅時候咧，就發覺咧係有少少雨粉啊，咁咧而家咧就睇嚟雨就停咗啦。咁對於車手有冇影響嘅咧？
而家目前咁嘅天氣嚟講咧，條路面仲唔係話出現好明顯嘅問題。如果再大少少咧，就會影響到車手嘅嗰啲轉彎嘅問題㗎啦。
哇！你睇下梁偉漢已經追到排第2位嘅溫廣流咯喎嚇！過咗啦，直情喺碧瑤灣嗰度過咗添啦。
佢過咗第3位，進咗第2位，而家就向住第1位嘅羅康正追殺啦。
係啊，其實梁偉漢咧排位嘅時間咧，一個圈嘅時間啊，比起溫廣流咧快咗成2秒鐘㗎。換言之咧，佢嘅車可能同埋嗰個人方面咧都係比較好啊。
係啊，梁偉漢今年都做到好多熱身嘅賽事㗎，佢喺東南亞咧賽得幾長㗎。
好啦，落髮夾彎啦，梁偉漢而家應該名次咧排第2位啊！嗱，見到前面嘅頭車啦，羅康正拋離都幾遠下㗎，咁希望咧阿梁偉漢能夠係追翻近啲啦。羅康正啦，而家係領先緊香港嘅車手，排位咧唔係咁快㗎，原本係排第5位，不過起步嗰下咧就係有啲少少嘅偷步啦，可以咁講啊。
唔係，佢排個2排1位都個位置相當好㗎。佢喺2排1位個位置
啱啱中間標出嚟。
係啦，佢揾到出嚟嘅。
喺第2行嘅第一個喺最外欄啊。
係啊，啱啱見，因為第一個彎就係左彎，佢喺右邊轉嚟係對佢好有利嘅呢個排位。
好啦，完成2個圈啦。
羅康正做到2分54啊！呢個相當快嘅時間嚟㗎。第2個圈即刻做到呢個時間啊！
咁啊，
咁啊，而家咧就我哋睇下澳門車手啊，梁偉漢啊點樣去向羅康正挑戰啦？
係啦，站在我哋嚟講咧，就梗係希望咧就係澳門嘅車手咧就可以贏翻咧香港嘅車手一次㗎嘛。
咁暫時嚟講咧，最快嘅圈速咧就係由梁偉漢嗰度做出嚟，2分54秒54啊！咁頭嗰2架車咧都係做到2分54㗎。咁另外咧，我發覺到個問題咧，以往喺呢個比賽裏邊進行之中咧，就係見到個綠燈咧就係會着住咗嘅。咁但係而家見到咧，就係喺呢個天橋腳下邊嘅綠燈咧就冇着到。咁會唔會話係頭先起步嘅時候就係因為呢啲燈根本上係壞咗，完全係冇着過，咁所以變成咗咧，而家係睇唔到燈號嘅。因為以往咧就係如果係終止比賽咧就會紅燈着咗啦，咁啊比賽係可以正常進行之中咧就綠燈着，咁但係而家完全係冇燈號喺度嘅。
3號梁玉彩，阿斌仔已經進上去第3位啦。全場最年輕嘅澳門明日之星斌仔，努力啦！
喺路環嘅卡場咧好有表現喎。
好多 fans 㗎，可能黎明都同佢差唔多咁多 fans。
梁玉彩咁暫時喺第4位。
好啦，梁玉彩啦，仍然排緊第3啊，第4啦，而家就係。
咁佢頭先個圈咧就係喺第4位嘅，而家呢個圈就啱就可以追到上第3位㗎啦。呢個走得唔錯喎，梁玉彩都話。
哦，佢好好啊，好有潛質啊！呢個新人。
咁實力係咪真係似乎係有少少距離啦？咁啊變成咗啲車都好快啊！只不過係2-3個圈就已經係掹開咗咁遠啦，係嘛？
佢梁玉彩都追得好快，香港2個車手都俾佢爬咗，而家就直追緊呢個阿梁偉漢同阿羅康正㗎啦。
因為要佢追得幾辛苦啊，因為起步嘅時候咧就有車起步先啦嚇，咁大家唔明確嘅情況之下嚟到追。
咁啊，正如咧剛才阿飛哥同我講啦，佢話因為阿溫廣流啦喺琴日跌過咧，咁所以咧佢今場咧就可能都唔係話搏得咁硬嘅。咁啊果然係喎，唔夠2個圈咧，咁啊溫廣流咧個名次咧由第2名咧就跌咗好落去啦，呢個第5名㗎。
冇錯啦，咁而家頭車同2車嘅距離咧就8.563秒喎。好啦，咁啊睇下咧就係呢個圈啊嘅大家嘅距離啊點樣？梁偉漢會唔會追得近翻啲咧？
梁玉彩同埋羅康正嘅距離咧有8秒幾啊！不過而家只不過係3個圈嘅啫，仲有
哇，近咗好多喎，3.726秒啫喎。
哇！而家可以喺大直路度睇到啦，都掹開段距離。
有架車跌咗，
少少問題啊！
係咪架50號啊？睇嚟好似架50號頭先起步有少少問題嘅嗰個。
因為發劫灣呢個速度咧都會比較慢少少嘅，所以就應該問題唔大。睇翻大直路啦。
哇，3、4、5係爭得好緊嘅喎，余玉春啊，同埋其他羅康正啊嗰啲都上到嚟嘅咯
喎。羅康正帶緊頭。阿毛龍仔今朝佢講佢腳痛都好緊要，琴晚睇跌打都仍然係咁痛，所以可能佢因為呢個問題咧，變咗體力方面咧就會落後咗咁多啦。
溫廣流啊追翻上嚟啦，咁啊已經爬咗呢個62號嘅余玉春。 溫廣流咧就舊年啊第一個圈一出咧就喺發球灣度跌咗啊，相當之可惜啊！
咁啊，事實上咧，今年嘅參賽人數真係太少啊！咁啊，16架車咁啊，變成咗咧喺個跑道上面好似冷清清咁樣啦。
阿飛哥，其實呢場車咧就係7點半舉行啦。咁嗰個車手嚟講咧，準備狀態
睇嚟有架車慢咗喎，睇下先咩事先。
好辛苦
因為
啊！
大會係出咗白旗啊，有架車咧就係慢咗嘅。凡係有車咧係好慢嘅話咧，就大會就出白旗嘅。睇下會唔會係頭車嚟嘅先？立一立咧，會唔會係51號嘅羅康正慢咗落嚟咧？
係
個鏡頭咧就仲未捕捉到，咁而家仲係影緊呢，就係溫廣流同埋余玉春之爭。我哋先見到咧就喺卓公亭附近呢，有架車係慢咗嘅，咁啊跟住咧就2、3、4位啲車咧就追咗上去，但會唔會嗰架係落後一個圈嘅咧？定係而家目前領先嘅羅康正咧咁？唉，真係啊，冇錯啦。
又係咁，慘啊慘啊！
唉，非常可惜啊。
係啦，咁
雖然
我
一早就彈出啊，
係啦，但係究竟係發生咩事咧？真係要問一問阿飛哥啊，或者睇下知唔知佢係咩事啦
應該就係機器故障啦，唔係意外㗎。喺咁情形就係，琴晚架車吞得好好啊！
呢個咧，神山上路喎，
係啊係啊，
啱啱先過咗呢一個灰園灣之後，
係得地灣之後，好可惜啊！好可惜羅康正，今年你做得咁好嘅成績，竟然又為引呢啲機器故障，又要等一年。
咁啊，即係尋晚你同佢一齊吞㗎係嘛？即係嗰個 N 展嗰度係嘛？
我哋由星期3開始都一齊嘅，成日都一齊。
梁偉漢翻嚟啦。咁啊，而家咧佢就進佔係第一頭位
係
啦。
梁偉漢
係啦就係我哋
啱啱先過我哋面前。
係啦，就我哋啊大家都啊熟悉嘅呢個澳門嘅車手啊，咁啊漢仔咧就係好似話舊年啊定今年啊，都已經鬥緊嗰啲東南亞嘅賽事喎。
啊，今年鬥緊㗎。
咪更加冇車威脅到佢啦，掹開一段大距離。而暫時喺第2位咧就係3號嘅呢一個梁玉彩。
兩位咧，我哋澳門車手啊，
係啊，
我都話咧，澳門車手會同我哋澳門人爭光㗎啦，今年。
舊年輸咗俾香港啊，咁今年希望咧澳門贏翻一次啦。
應該如無意外，漢仔淡淡定定得㗎啦。
咪始終都係自己地頭啊，熟路啊爭好遠嘅。
不過而家呢場賽事嚟講啊，漢仔嘅實力都係比較強啲啦。我賽前我同佢講，我話你如果用到7成8成功夫嘅話咧，你都好輕鬆贏到呢場賽事㗎啦。
哇，咁厲害！
好順啊，帶得阿梁偉漢。
其實鬥車嘅嘢，除咗技術咧，仲要講下啲運氣啦。
係啊
架車究竟精唔精神係嘛？好似羅康正咁啊，相當可惜啊！
咁暫時最快時間都係梁偉漢嗰度出嚟㗎，2分53秒8。我相信仲可以有機會係再快啲添。
係啦，呢個第3
睇下佢能唔能夠打破咗啊蘇世雄樹立咗個最快嘅紀錄2分52秒22，喺95年做出嚟㗎。但係舊年呢，舊年嘅張孝忠贏車就係2分56贏到車㗎啦。
比較難喎，2分52秒幾嚇，都幾困難啊！
蘇世雄喺1995年做出呢個時間喺度，樹立咗喺呢條東望洋跑道嗰度，睇下漢仔嗰種有冇辦法破到佢。
而家見到嘅時間都係2分56秒啊，2分55秒到嘅時間。如果52咧就比較困難啲啦，我諗。
呢啲一定要咩咧？要大家激戰，
有個逼啊
睇下逼唔逼到佢啦，而家睇下梁玉彩逼唔逼到佢啦。
你推住我啦，或者我追住你啦，咁大家激戰啦，可能會做到呢個時間出嚟㗎。
咩事？溫廣流啊？
佢腳痛啊！係啊，因為佢琴日喺呢個警察學廠灣前
搭咗一單。
係啊，佢個腳今朝都好痛啊！佢行啊，都7行。
哇，好慢喎！而家忽然間慢咗落嚟喎。本來一路同咧62號嘅余玉春係鬥緊嘅。
咁樣嘅話咧，鬥到落嚟應該係較為平淡啲嘅咯喎。梁偉漢如無
單騎
意外嘅話，
獨鬥啊，梁偉漢而家啊，
嗱成條直路咧未見到後面嗰啲車啊。阿力奇啊，點睇啊？
咁啊，即係正如阿飛哥話齋啦嚇，咁啊杜漢仔咧，咁啊因為亦都今年有出外參賽，咁啊變咗咧佢咧就對於嗰啲大賽經驗咧，亦都吸收咗。咁啊，我想問一問阿飛哥啦，咁啊梁玉彩暫時嚟講有冇出外參賽過咧？
梁玉彩 第一次揸250鬥就喺珠海，今年3月係我帶佢上去鬥啊，好似杜漢仔都係第一次喺舊年3月我帶佢馬來西亞鬥㗎，所以兩位澳門車手我都好睇好，我好對佢哋都好有信心㗎。
喺大直路咧就見到啦，咁啊梁偉漢同埋梁玉彩咧係有一段少少嘅距離，咁大概咧係爭7秒零啦嚇。我相信咧用少少嘅時間都可以追到啊！咁因為咧，只不過而家係第2公里嘅啫。
無痛真係腳痛啊！無痛真係腳痛。咁我睇而家嘅情形咧，阿斌仔已經即係追貼咗阿漢仔㗎啦。
上加斯丹斜路完全冇威脅啊，輕鬆好多啊！
冇錯啦，2分56秒幾啊，比頭先啊慢咗好多啊！
自己都攞翻個均速咁樣喎，似乎嚇。
係啊，穩穩陣陣，一定要穩陣。
係啊，你一個圈快一個圈慢冇用㗎，你平均嘅均速係好緊要㗎。
咁我又想問一問阿飛哥啦，咁佢哋呢啲新人咧，佢哋揸呢啲2匹半咧，連埋晒咧，佢哋嗰個車價啊咁樣啊，同埋嗰啲咁樣翻到嚟啊，再調校啊，大概需要幾錢費用到呢一架呢啲咁嘅戰車？
而家目前睇到嗰啲車，譬如梁偉漢呢架車咧，車價都要12萬以上㗎啦。再計埋其他嘅 parts 啊，其他車手個人嘅裝備啊，真正你都要20萬先可以睇到。
啲方曬點計咧？
啲方曬嗰啲係全部車手自己㗎啦，對於自己
揾嘅，
係啦，
搞掂嘅。
老友鬼咁咪贊助啊咁樣咯，胎啊其他嘢嗰啲。
咁都幾成幾重喎。
係啊。
其實一架喺街度買到個250，只不過係幾萬蚊嘅，點解佢鬥呢架車咧買翻嚟已經要12萬咁貴咧？
哦，普通嘅街版嗰啲咁啊250咧，佢哋係受咗呢個譬如話日本嘅限制，譬如話最高出嘅馬力係得翻45匹。第二咧，佢落場鬥啲呢啲咧，全部波箱寫嘢喉卡必打其他嘢改過晒嘅，有一套係專門攞嚟賽車用嘅零件，所以係加埋個車價就係要超過呢個價錢㗎啦。
咁啊，而家呢啲就係落後少少嘅賽車嚟㗎啦。我哋見到咧應該係55同埋77號啊。呢兩架車咧就練習嘅時候已經成日一拍咁樣一齊嚟玩㗎啦。
嗱，以往咧好多人睇呢個電單車新手賽咧，就抱咗個心態入去，早啲去場睇啊，好多搭車咁樣。咁但係而家咧，所有嘅電單車新手啦，其實都唔係新手嚟㗎啦，好多已經係即係比較成熟咗，咁所以咧亦都係冇咁多話撞車啊或者係驚險嘅鏡頭出現啊。
而家呢個 ACM 嘅規例咧，佢就話要喺新手賽贏咗頭3名，然後全部 play 上去高級組。咁所以好多係第4、第5嗰啲，咪成日保留咗喺度喺呢場賽事度比賽啦。
咁所以都係即係根本上係已經係有經驗有比賽經驗㗎啦。
係啊係啊。
呢個我想問下啲賽例咧，就係佢哋呢啲新手有咩資格就可以參加一陣嗰場嘅電單車超級挑戰賽咧？
呢啲有視乎賽會受唔受佢哋玩啦。佢人多夠人
夠數，
係啦。
前3名得唔得咧？如果係
前3名應該就係有咁嘅資格，
所以佢
即刻追上。
睇試車就即刻可以俾佢上去玩啦。
咁呢啲要問賽會先啊，佢哋成日都改㗎嗰啲規矩。當初梁偉漢佢哋去報名一報嘅時間話諗住報名高級組，但係佢就唔受佢玩住。咁佢以為高級組嗰場咧就夠數夠人可以開到波，點知唔夠就話俾你聽，全部都俾你哋參加。
咁陣間會唔會咧？臨時拉夫啊？
呢啲林斯拉夫車手叫做我哋叫做林斯拉夫啊，全部澳門呢個全部俾晒佢哋上去。
哦，咁
但係一個樣我真係要提一提咧，就係好對澳門車手好唔公平㗎。
係。
外嚟車手全部有贊助，好似葡國車手全部有贊助，其他有贊助。你澳門車手仲要俾佢哋俾幾千蚊嚟報名，嚟陪佢哋跑啫喎，係嘛？做配角俾佢哋喺啲溫
咁啊，
因為嚟湊夠數。
係啊，如果唔係佢就開唔到呢場賽事㗎嘛。咁樣應該公平啲，你叫得人哋上去上面賽嘅，幫手做下配角㗎，咁你或者咪邀請佢上去咯，唔使佢哋孭多幾千蚊費用啦。
又好睇啲啦
係啊係啊。
鏡頭見到兩部咧比較墮後㗎，77號係周少鵬啊，已經係排名第10位㗎啦。 咁鏡頭咧仲未捕捉翻係頭車啊，2號嘅梁偉漢同埋3號嘅梁玉彩係。
好啦，啱啱就見到啦，落呢個發橋灣，梁偉漢啊，啱啱先就落咗發橋灣啦。
係啊，翻到嚟就完成7個圈㗎咯
哇，已經可以 lap 到車啦，追到啲落後嘅車啦。
寥寥可數啊，跑道冇乜車啊。
都好難拖到紀錄啦，2分55秒幾嘅都係保持嗰個時間。
佢已經夠贏咯。
係啦，
穩打穩紮啦。
係啊係啊。咁啊，一場自有澳門新手賽以嚟最少人數參加、最少車能參加嘅賽事。
以往啊多到要拆開2場啊，
係，
但係好順利喎，
3場添甚至乎
好順利喎，一啲意外都冇喎，暫時見到啊。
咁對大家嚟講都好好啊！上個月喺珠海舉行嘅電單車賽事有199架車參加，
哇！
即係人哋做得嘅嘢成功啦。
梁偉漢呢，第3個圈曾經係做到2分53秒幾喎，哇！呢個時間都好快啊！喺今日嗰場車嚟講，
係啊，如果佢獨走，如果能夠走得咁嘅時間都好好。
係啊，如果有啲壓力呢，仲更加快添啊！
如果有人同佢抽下，咁可能嘅時間會破多蘇世雄嘅52.22㗎。
咁以前咧電單車新手賽咧，除咗有初賽、決賽之外咧，有約馬杯啊嚇。嗰時咧就澳門同埋香港參賽嘅車手幾多啊？
係啊，因為以前車太多啊，所以佢約馬嘅代理啊整一場專門係約馬杯俾佢哋賽。最多人數參加就我記憶中好似有130幾架新手賽。
哇！
但係而家今日剩翻，
而家得翻1/10到。
差唔多最冷清嘅今年添嘛。
係啊，賽會真係要諗下計啊！如果咁樣搞唔掂嘅喎，得翻咁少車去玩。
佢而家要將呢啲賽事舉辦得翻好啲嘅話咧，佢應該從人手辦事人員方面着手，應該揾啲適當嘅人做適當嘅事。
嗱，好多人就話珠海所舉辦咗嘅呢個汽車賽啦，或者係即係賽事啦，係咪真係對澳門咁大影響㗎啦
應該係啊，應該係有影響嘅，一定有影響。
因為可能錢又係一個問題啦。你話走去連續喺一個咁短時間裏邊鬥2場車，變成咗啦，究竟一個集中點，你話喺珠海啊，定係擺翻嚟澳門啊？
有啲車手反映呢話，原因呢就珠海招呼好啲，比澳門方面呢就比較好啲。
工作人員態度好啲，
其他方面照顧好啲。
以往咧係 AA 會過嚟幫佢哋辦，早3年開始咧，佢全部咧呢個
交翻俾
本地化，
本地化咧係啦，變咗好多嘢都未人上軌道。佢哋應該吸取下人哋嘅經驗，吸人哋嘅意見，去改良做好啲，等車手又好，觀眾又好。
係啊，因為往往都好多牢騷啊，啲車手好多牢騷發嘅，就係話，哇，點解賽會又會咁樣安排？年年都有唔同㗎。
係啊，今日講完嘅嘢，聽日又話唔同，好似高級組咁樣，又話唔準人哋拆風鼓，聽日又準人拆風鼓，又話準人用磁力卡，又話唔準用磁力卡，變咗好多人咧，好難適從到佢哋嘅意見咯。
咁同埋咧，似乎往往澳門嘅賽車咧都係比較重視咗喺呢一個方程式啊，同埋喺呢一個中國人嗰方面嘅。好簡單，睇尋日就知道，尋日呢個方程式咧賽事咧撞完一次紅旗，又再起過，咁啊連續幾次都可以再出過。咁假使你話係第二啲嘅賽事咧，完全冇呢啲可能啦。咁變成咗咧，尋日嘅超級港車賽咧都唔可以話係即係進行呢一個試車排位啊。
係啊，咁啊，而家阿邦尼啱啱講起呢個超級跑車賽，尋日唔能夠舉行呢個試車啦。咁啊，賽會有新嘅規定喎，喺今日咧就會有一個賽事嘅調動嘅喎。
係啊，有個特別嘅安排啦，咁啊變成咗咧，又係有第二啲唔係好公平啦，變成咗呢個金寶方程式嘅挑戰賽咧，原本係有10個圈嘅時候咧，就變咗得8個圈。咁另外咧就安排咗一個超級跑車賽咧，就喺11:25咧係進行呢一個試車排位嘅。咁喺呢段時間進行試車排位，然之後咧到4:20咧先至會進行呢一個正式嘅超級跑車賽。咁變成咗咧，一有第二啲嘅賽事更改嘅時候咧，就變咗第二啲嘅賽事要縮減圈數啊，嚟到係就一就佢啦。
係啊，對於嗰班公子級嘅車手都好辛苦啦。朝頭早參加呢個練習得15分鐘啫喎，咁啊晏晝就即刻要參賽啦。
咁尋日見到佢哋喺個 pit 度預備排位出去，諗住試車嘅時候，仲加大牢騷添啊！等咗咁耐，結果原來要取消，因為天色已經係太過黑啦，咁啊唔可以話進行呢個試車。
事實上，琴日嘅3分方程式比賽咧4次紅旗啊，根本咧就有好多嘅好多嘅暫停嘅時間啊，根本都更加可以咧就係將個賽事咧係終止嘅，等其他嘅車手咧。
有嘢講喎。
係啊，因為而家咧我見到咧嗰個62號車啊余玉春咧就追得咧，哎呀
哎呀，
呢個
啱啱就喺呢一個
兩架，係咪啊？
追
喺官園灣之後嘅呢個彎啊，
追得梁玉彩好緊㗎，咁但係咧而家又見到有一個車啊撞咗，係咪就係？
係啊，羅康正嘅車嚟㗎。
係啦，就係余玉春。哎呀，
唉，
佢本來追得好犀利
排第
㗎。
3㗎，
到咗第3位嘅噃。真係
羅康
可惜啦
正，真係禍不單行，因為咧
擺架車咧都俾人撞啊！
係啊，整翻架車咧，陣或者都仲有得
係啊，
有機會玩
落去睇睇佢整唔整得翻參加高級組嗰場㗎，咁俾佢幫埋嚟都唔知一陣整唔整得翻添。
好慘喎！你嗰個位又唔可以擺第二度，又冇可能係抽過鐵欄裏邊㗎嚇。
一正常嚟講冇理由係撞咗埋去㗎嘛。
頭先我哋就係見到咧，佢就追得澳門嗰個啊梁玉彩啦，好緊㗎。咁可能咧佢就係喺呢個彎咧，唔知係咪自己控制唔係幾好啦，咁啊變咗咧反而咧就自己搭咗喺度。佢追到佢咧，仲有大家相差啦，唔夠2個車位嘅。
係啊，因為梁玉彩咧就個圈速啊稍為慢得少少嘅，2分57嘅，咁咧就余玉春就追翻上去，只係喺上個圈啊，只係相差0點幾秒嘅咋。
咁而家個位置應該又有改變，應該係冇
好啦
龍，仔咧
梁
上翻嚟啦。
偉漢啱啱經過啦，進行呢一個最後一個圈啦。工作人員亦都打咗 last lap 嘅牌出嚟。話可惜啊，62號車咧都唔可以話係順利地係企翻咗凳仔。
咁而家應該第3嘅係72號嘅朱文達喎，會唔會咧？留意睇下啦。
應該溫廣流啦，係咪？
睇下先，睇佢點撞埋去啊！啱啱俾黃旗遮住咗。
黃旗已經俾咗信號，嘅意思係真係前面有事啦。
因為有架車已經擺咗喺度啦嚇，羅康正嘅車已經擺咗喺度。
好啦，頭車啦，梁偉漢啊，翻嚟就會完成10個圈衝線㗎啦。咁睇嚟咧，
溫廣流
梁偉漢贏嘅機會好大啦。
係啦，溫廣流升上第3位啦。
呢啲就係太過心急啦，已經係冇得追㗎啦。你喺第3位，亦都冇人威脅到你，你真係追唔到第2嗰個。
啊，咁啊，正如阿飛哥講啦，佢話溫廣流咧就呢場都唔係幾搏嘅，因為嗰隻腳咧係即係跌親都幾痛嚇。咁但係佢唔搏之中咧，因為佢本身咧佢即係嗰手車都唔錯㗎。咁啊俾佢咧咁樣而家咧就慢慢有2架。
單隻腳都 OK 啦。
係啦，咁咧佢都攞翻個第3喎。
哇！我聽力奇咁講，力奇都係阿毛童仔啲 fans 嚟㗎喎，好似嚇。
成日貼佢㗎。
唔係，佢本身係一個好好嘅車手嚟㗎，毛童仔真係啊！即係澳門條跑道真係對佢嚟講，好似係爭一啲。
咁啊，而家大會咧打咗出嚟咧，就係3號車嘅呢一個梁玉彩，同埋50號車嘅溫廣流啦。咁因為係呢一個偷步啊，要罰1分鐘噃。
咁樣話第2有改咯喎。
又有得變咯喎。
咁啊，
梁偉漢就穩陣嚇。
2、3都有改喎。
第4、第5嗰2個上嚟頂佢第2、第3嗰2個位啦。
如果咁嘅話咧，應該係70號嘅朱文達係啦。哎呀，又有意外。
又一個。
呢個應該摩羅園啦。
呢個Honda嚟，呢個係本田嚟
會唔會係應該係冇錯啦，應該唔係頭車嚟㗎。
反而喺尾段嘅時間咁多意外發生啊！
係啊，冇錯啦。
梁偉漢啊，淡淡定定啊，翻嚟就完㗎啦。
係啊，企台之前呢，諗清楚啦。
係啊。
我以為澳門
一定穩陣啊！
好嘢。
好啦，反而第2、第3位咧應該有變動㗎，應該咧如果咁講法咧，就第2咧應該係朱文達喎，72號車咧升翻上去喎嚇。咦，咁第3位咪即係李次坤？
有機會啦。
好啊
，10號車嘅李次坤應該可以升上第3。
阿低你企台啦。
但係佢哋而家鬥緊仲未知喎嚇。
佢哋未知啊，佢哋未知㗎。大會啊打咗出嚟咋。
好啦，最後一個彎。個大會工作人員咧，
好衝線。
OK。李次坤而家上嚟第3嘅話咧，真正就係輪都輪到我啦，係咪？佢話我收咗成10年新手賽，今年輪都輪到我啦，佢話。
唉，相當開心啊，梁偉漢啊！
佢哋幕前所做嘅嘢，其實幕後佢哋都好多工作人員喺度支持緊佢哋嘅。 佢哋企台嘅一剎嘅光輝，其實全部都係佢嘅 team crew 去支持、去配合佢哋㗎，係我哋觀眾睇唔到嘅嘢嚟㗎。
達咗幾
幕
多次咧？
後啊，
先攞個
幕後
冠軍翻嚟。
係啊，做好多嘢㗎。
好啦，冠軍啦，梁偉漢啦，佢喺第3個圈咧，時間亦都好快啊，2分53秒幾
係啦，
㗎。
咁啊，溫廣流啊、阿梁彩旭呢啲咧就係都唔知道自己咧就係俾人罰咗添啦，我諗。
會唔會有提示咧？應該有提示
呢
㗎咯喎。
啲就係睇佢哋嗰個 timing 嘅 team 佢點樣安排啦嚇。佢哋而家知道㗎，應該打 timing 俾佢哋知道㗎。
大家打出嚟咧，3號嘅梁玉彩係第2，不過大會咧就話梁玉彩同埋52號嘅溫廣流咧偷步係罰1分鐘，咁樣嘅話咧應該係70號嘅朱文達同埋10號嘅李志坤咧係升上第2同埋第3位㗎啦。
咁都係有分2個澳門車手
係啦
喺頒獎台嗰度。
第1、第3。
飛哥，我想問下咧，就係而家第2、第3位嘅梁玉彩或者係溫廣流，佢會唔會提出抗議咧？佢會唔會認為啊，就係大會俾佢嘅起步嘅指示啊係唔清晰，而令到佢誤會咗咧咁？
咁啊睇睇佢哋車隊裏邊嘅經理人點樣去安排呢場賽事啦。因為佢哋如果唔攞第2、唔攞第3，留翻出年，希望仲爭個第1。佢唔使升級啊嘛，
唔使升班啊！
即係要計一計數啦。
係啊係啊。
咁即係話，其實佢啊證明咗自己有實力嘅，係嘛？
係啊，咁大家都睇到係啦，佢哋嘅實力係好好㗎。
大家見到咧就係坐呢個順風車翻去啦。呢個羅康正
啊，翻返嚟啊！坐住啊！
佢哋老友嚟㗎，佢哋一齊鬥亞太區巡迴賽㗎嘛，兩個老友嚟㗎。
咁事實上真係學阿飛哥話齋啦，佢真係7、8成功力已經有機會贏啦。佢起步遲咗咁多啊！
係啊係啊。
咁啊我睇見咧就係10幾架車咧，佢應該係第2、第3、尾2、尾3先出發㗎。咁啊居然咧就可以追翻上嚟而贏人哋咁多添。
好高興啦！
飛哥佢哋啲車翻到嚟啦，係咪仲要接受驗車嘅咧？
係啊。頭五名應該翻去看台之後，大會要佢檢查。
頭6名都係雅馬哈喎，啊一如所料喎。
喺澳門另外一個車手余美德都好好成績喎，唯一一架嘅 Suzuki RGB 全場得一架，佢哋能夠跑到第8。
頭先交代翻啦，而家大會打出嚟咧，仲係3號嘅梁玉彩係第2嘅喎，52號嘅溫廣流第3。但係如果嚟講咧，罰1分鐘咧，應該係70號嘅朱文大第2㗎，10號嘅李志坤咧第3㗎，應該。
11屆澳門格蘭披治電單車大賽開業啊！咦，偷步啦！哇，12號喎，12號偷步，12號偷步，12號偷步，肯定啦。咁啊，呢場賽事12號咧一起步又係有問題啊！係啦，點樣咧？究竟係？起步嘅情況應該係點㗎啦？咁似乎全部車手都唔適應喎。係啦。咁啊12號咧就有猶豫啦，擰翻轉頭，我係咪偷步咧？咁究竟應該睇咩信號啦？好啦，而家咧形勢大混亂啦，19號、34號咧全部喺晒前邊，啲大熱門咧全部落後晒喺後面啊！睇下佢哋咧點樣追翻上嚟啦。係啦。咁就話真係咧，大會嗰個燈號同埋個指示我都唔明白啊嚇。咁啊10號車好明顯咧，就剛才見佢砰嗰聲啊，自己彈咗出嚟先啊！但係咧佢又驚驚地喎，佢又一步啊！而家麥卡倫嗰啲咧就跌咗落去㗎。係啊，頭先睇見咧其他所有嘅車咧都好猶豫。嗱，6期已經揮動咗啦，紅燈係着咗嘅。係啊，其實紅燈熄滅之後咧先可以去㗎。嗱，你睇下。
Man was in terms of when he's getting on in age, shall we say? And as you said, he's only a few
49.
right. He's only a few years away from actual retirement. But Henry told me quite clearly that this is a special treat, and he's going to make this the last race of his racing career. So that's quite a nice man.
But we think
如果呢兩位車手咧一條過嗰陣時咧，我相信中咗呢個時間係會跌落去嘅。
咁啊，大家咧係最緊要係有得揞下。 我哋最唔中意睇到啲咧就係尼昂尼亞咁啊油車可翻嚟嗰啲賽事啊。
通常起步嗰陣時係大 CC 嘅車一定行先，例如呢個即係我估計係2號車嘅何夫曼啦，或者呢個21號車嘅森寶信。佢用一架德吉利嘅966嘅車，呢款車係最新款嘅。咁頭先我問過佢咧，佢嘅 horsepower 差唔多去到係170匹。好啦，
或者等個綠燈啦喎，今次睇下佢大會能燈啊熄曬唔去，有紅燈咁啊掃過嚟會唔會係撞到個綠燈咧？好啦。橫聲嚟已經，熄燈，哎呀又唔俾隻綠燈嘅，
真係唔明點解再會。
喂，佢頭先 formation lap 都有個綠燈出嚟嘅喎，
點解又冇咧？
真係唔好啦，真係搞唔掂啊！俾佢考起啊！咁我哋睇翻場車嗰度啦，哇，30架車咧一齊咧起咗，跟住咧就有幾浸過㗎。而家先藍色5號車搶咗上嚟啊！咁啊5號車咧就係呢個高米茲啊，高米茲咧就喺起步咧排第2排㗎，第2排嘅第1架。咁啊，俾佢咧係搶先上嚟。
咁高米茲用一個 Elf 嘅500cc 嘅 Rock 雅馬哈，係用呢個 White R500嘅，但係佢呢架車咧，佢能夠起步得咁快咧，佢真係起步嗰下個手法真係好好，即係未足前車起到咁快咧，真係好佩服佢啦。
咁啊，第2位跟住咧就何夫曼啦。咁何夫曼咧就係排第1排嘅第1位啊。嗱，我哋睇下形勢上咧，點解何夫曼咧比呢個高米茲咧係過咗喺左手邊？大家留意下左手邊，最左手邊嗰架咧就係啦。咁啊嗱，藍色左手邊第2架咧就係呢個高米茲。咁一出嘅時候咧一攝，咁啊應該何夫曼同埋另外一位21號嘅車係搶上嚟咁，但係咧係一過段直路咧就俾呢個高米茲咧係攝咗個第1位啊！咁而家咧依然咧松山上面咧高米茲咧係領先嘅。
如果喺松山上路嚟講咧，就呢個何夫曼嘅車會比較冇咁呢個靈活性啦。但係我直路嚟講咧，大家嘅車會差唔多。
始終都係睇翻呢個路達係嘛？5號車後邊高米茲。高米茲係法國嘅車手嚟㗎。我睇到何夫曼可能過咗喎，係啦過咗啦。
啱啱空檔攝咗佢啦。
好啦，咁而家形勢逆轉，不過咧爭少少嘅啫。何夫曼鬥高米茲啦。睇嚟呢場賽事咧有得鬥喎。
有得啦，好啦，呢個直路尾我哋叫做 hairpin 收車啦，慢慢啦，係一架落。但係注意到嗰班起步啲咧，就呢個高米茲嘅車係會輸蝕咗少少嘅。呢個馬力方面係冇夠呢個何夫曼嘅車嘅，呢個就係中前車裏邊咧就比較一缺點裏邊。
好啦，咁一出翻嚟咧，何夫曼咧拉遠少少，咁但係唔緊要㗎，後邊咧呢個高米茲樣咧啄到好緊㗎。咁咧賽事咧就有係13圈嘅比賽啦，正所謂咧係仲有時間慢慢鬥，亦都冇需要咁急過你。但後邊見到第3位都搶咗上嚟咧，好急喎。
係啊，因為後邊嗰排車佢一定要起頭兩圈就黐到實晒，同埋我啲線位咧，何夫曼都用得好盡㗎啦。
焗住佢唔盡得啦。第3位咧就係我哋一路講頭2位，第3位，哎呀，
都好盡啊！哇，呢個發奇啦，係嗱呢個人又佢人又冇乜事嗱，冇事啦，呢個第一時間跑埋去。
咁打完轉啦，咁啊停晒啦。
咁今次賽會就比較做得好好地啦。我覺得紅旗喎，紅旗出咗，表示個賽事咧係要終止，
要終止啦。
佢做得好好啦。
有改善，要讚嚇，有改善要讚。咁啊立即咧出示呢個紅旗，因為咧當時其實個情況咧都幾危險下㗎。
因為咧呢個高米茲係頭架車嚟嘅，跌嗰陣時，咁同埋呢個車佢呢個彎係叫盲彎，係入嗰陣時望唔到佢出翻入面。
Oh, and I think he knew he was just going too quick into the corner. Very intelligently laid it down. But now look at these poor people behind. Look at that bike. It's on the right of the thing. It's hit the wall and it's coming back. And the people had decided to go to the left of it. Then they had to change their mind and go to the right of it. The bike's hit one wall and it's come back virtually to hit the other. And well, Eric Gomez on his feet, he's perfectly okay.
係又要讚下佢啦。今次雖然佢有好多嘢令到我哋唔明白，不過今次係應記一功。咁啊，但係咧，咁個賽事咧又真係幾多阻滯喎嚇！第2次超越呢個。
Do it again here. And so could Sean Higby, number 19.
似乎唔見咗。
See the advantage of
咁即係後
that
邊咧就
nice big hole. The flagman at the front of the pack has moved. The green flag at the back. One light,
好啦，
two
咁啊紅
lights,
燈就第
three,
3眼、第4眼、第5眼，紅燈熄晒，可以開始比賽㗎啦。
They go out, away they go. The charge is
好，今
on.
次開始咧好順利啦嚇。
Good start
而家帶頭嘅
from
係2號何夫曼，
Gordon Bennett, but a better
係
start from
好小
Andy
心啊！
Hoffman.
累積咗第
Great
3次經驗
start
㗎
from
啦，
the
好驚啊！
Rider bike number 2, the Green
今日
Meanie
大家都
out
企
in
得好
front.
規矩啊嚇。
That's McCallum. He must be about 5th or 6th. And here's
何夫曼咧就
Hoffman. Here
搶咗
comes
出嚟
McCallum
啦
on the charge.
獅子大
And
咧
it's
係
Sean Higby as we thought in 2nd place. He saw
其實
that
何夫
big
曼呢
hole
好勁啊，
and
因為
went
有
charging
兩個
through
係俾佢
and
壓力對手都
going
先
well
後退出啦
to well.
有4個老達同埋
Sean
有
Higby
一
on
個
the
森保
inside.
信啦。
Here's McCallum. Higby then as we go to
喂，佢
the
俾
track
19啊，
side.
下接俾
This
你
is
食咗個位
McCallum
添
with the
喎。
onboard camera. Everybody
係啦，葡京睇
round.
下點樣個感受
McCallum
啊！
through there in about 5th or 6th place, so he's got some work to do, but you still wouldn't.
個鏡頭一轉喺上面咧，上松山咧下接比咧就領先咗出嚟啊！咁啊入葡京灣之前咧就過咗呢個何夫曼㗎。
好啦，我哋而家再重播翻起步嗰度啦。今次起步得大家都好規矩啊，冇上次完全冇兜步嚇。
何夫曼一級級埋嚟啦，下接比喺佢後邊㗎，
係啦，啱啱跟住佢啦。
好啦，咁啊上翻松山加斯蘭嗰段咧，睇下個形勢點啦。咁應該咧下接比咧食住個位咧喺前面咧，當然係有優勢啦嚇。
19號下接比咧，佢係一個小小嘅 GSXR 90cc呢架亦都係今年最新嘅車係嚟嘅。係一個卡瓦沙CXR 7嘅，咁啊兩架嘅馬力咧雖然係有啲分別，但係咧喺上路咧大家差唔多，但喺下路方面咧，我相信呢個19號嘅車呢個下接比啲車就會放離咗少少。
咁就何夫曼咧，而家俾人搶個頭位咧，佢都要真係諗下計喎。後邊咧8號車係賓納啊，今日生日啦，呢個壽星仔咧就亦都追得好貼。咁啊而家形成咧3架車咧就係。 下接比
These three now beginning to pull away, but it's going to be a fierce battle. Sean Higby, the hog rider from the United States, is showing these men just what he's got as well as they come down towards Malco again.
And I think that was Philip McCallum in about 6th place. Ray Stringer, number 7, just ahead of him. So we reckon that's McCallum in about 6th position.
下邊咧呢一段咧就
Looking
開始
backwards
係
now
要
from McCallum, so that little battle for 4th, 5th,
好啦，
and
咁一
6th
搶
is
住
all
咧下接
clear.
比咧依
Sean
然
Higby
咧係
is
食住
still
啊領
going
頭㗎。
well.
咁啊第2位翻嚟
Looking
咧都
very
係何夫
smooth
曼，
and
第3位咧
untroubled.
係
Front
賓
wheel
納
of。that big Chuck Grace
直路啦，
prepared
哇
Suzuki paws the air, and here comes this group behind.
史丁加
Stringer
抽咗出嚟
trying
啊！
to stay ahead of McCallum. McCallum on the inside. We're on board with Philip McCallum. Has he gone through? No, he's not. He's still there in 6th place. The leaders come into sight. Then it's 3 or 4 riders all together. Over the line they go. Higby, Hoffman, Bennett. Then Stringer, McCallum, and David Rouge. What a good ride for the youngsters rider. Simon Beck is 7th. Then Chuck Graves, David Goodley, Dean Ashton, then Teixeira.
咁啊，但係佢比呢個何夫曼咧經過第一個圈之後咧，係即係領先0.37秒嘅啫。後邊咧就係8個賓納啦，咁啊排位就係咁啦。
He came in past 5th, going past his pit lane, and really he's on a flyer, is Philip. I think he's going to be the one to watch as this race progresses. He's now catching up with his pack, but they're on the front three again, going into
其
this
實咧下
battle.
接比咧都係喺葡京灣咧係食翻呢個何夫曼嘅啫嚇，過去嘅時候。好啦，咁啊入呢個葡京上松山位置不變，咁啊睇嚟咧嚴格上嚟講落松山咧個位置應該都不變㗎。咁啊因為喺呢個環境咧就其實想超車唔係咁容易，加上咧就真係要謹慎，因為你都仲稍為做個錯誤決定咧，就係唔係話導致你啊落後咁簡單，可能直接退出比賽啊。
嗱，我而家望啲頭車呢3個車咧，即係嗰個叫做冇錯，因為呢3個車比較好謹慎啊。
Where was McCallum in that little group behind?
He was right leading that group, it looks like. It looks as though McCallum has got his head down and he's in 4th place, catching this group of 3 who are leading. So McCallum is still on the pace. He's now trying to catch up with Roger Bennett in 3rd place.
咁因為咧基本上咧10個圈嘅比賽啦，10個圈嘅比賽咧就而家進行咗跑緊第2個圈㗎啦。咁啊原先咧呢場賽事咧就係有30架車跑10個圈㗎，咁而家嚟到呢次咧第3次跑要得翻23架車啊，就跑10個圈，
即係越跑越少啦，
跑越少圈數又係車數又係啊。個位置依然不變啦，呢個下接比19號車咁啊大緊頭，2號車何夫曼第2，賓納咧係第3位㗎。呢邊咧就係7號車咧就係第4位㗎，史丁加。
And all the gang will be there in their little holiday in Thailand, and that could be a birthday party.
It certainly will be.
大
Bet
家
on
一
this
號車
result,
望
though,
到
I
啦，
would
一
have
號
thought
車
to。see who's going to have the most celebrations.
Yo,
We're
Macallan
looking
á,
from
第
Philip McCallan's
4
bike
位
now as they go down the hill again
我
towards the
暫時
fastest pass of this circuit. And Philip is great through here. And you can see already he's beginning to catch with this pack of three. And I love watching Philip ride because you can tell by his posture when he's serious.
喺呢度咧見到咧，原來麥卡倫已經過咗呢個史丁加進佔第4位啦，一字排都睇到啦。19號、2號、8號。
如果咁睇程序嚟咧，呢個麥加倫咧後上機會好高啊！因為呢隻車嘅佢成為咧B2
Prospect Ray Stringer in 5th place. 2 laps completed in what is now going to be a 10-lap race. Behind it, Higby is Hoffman, then Bennett, then comes the next group through McCallum, Stringer, David Rouge in 6th place. Can't say how good that is for the young Swiss rider. Simon Banks 7th, Chuck Graves is 8th, 9th is David Goodley, and Felix Teixeira is there, the Portuguese rider going well in 10th.
Well, Philip McCallan is the one to watch, and that's where the cameras are on at the moment. And it is going to be interesting from another point of view, Chris. Usually in this race, we get a couple of protagonists that have kind of been watching each other all weekend and kind of have not a gentleman's agreement, but they know each other's style, they know each other's rides. We saw Whittam and Fogarty back in the early 90s. But it's going to be interesting to see what Philip does with these 4 or these 3 in front of him when he gets alongside him, because I don't think either of them or any of them want to give anything away here.
They don't. Philip McCallan is just inching closer to that group ahead, and time is on his side. We're on lap 3 of 10, and anyone who decided that Philip McCallan was going to be there picked from the sweepstake, I think probably looking good at the moment.
可以追翻㗎。
我相信喺法甲灣之前咧，佢會喺4嚿黐住一齊嘅。
嗱，越嚟越近啦，見到麥卡倫已經係上啦。
We're on board with Philip McCallan. We could see the trio ahead, but boy, is this twisty at the top of the hill.
Certainly is. Philip's an expert at this, and he was saying to me earlier in the week that he's only just getting back to fitness after that big crash he had. He really wants to do well here. He's had a lot of problems in qualifying and the practice. He had a brake go on, and that gave him a big scare. He's had problems with the engine itself. But it looks as though the actual bike is on song now. And Philip's got that, as I said, that posture that says, I want this one badly.
Talking of men coming back from injury, just talk about Nigel Davies, number 17. He's 13th at the moment. He too had a big get-off at the Ironman TT races. This is his first race since returning to action.
4兩撥千斤啊，係啦，
So down towards the Melco again, and Philip McCallan is just pushing very hard. You can see from on board how close he's coming now. He's a lot faster through that Melco. He's right behind Roger Bennett now. Watch him come round and still on board.
最緊要望到，望到有目標追，望到冇追啊，望唔到你就收工得啦。係啦
Grand Prix bike, but an elderly one. We're just talking breakfast today, and so and Hoffman goes through. While I'm talking, Andy Hoffman darts through, and Andy Hoffman takes the lead. Now, can Andy quicken the pace, because maybe he feels that Sean Higby wasn't going as quick as he could have done. 2:37s. The lap sort of times. This man could do 2:32. And maybe he's seeing the signal that McCallan is catching. And look at this. Andy Hoffman has lit the blue paper. He's setting off like a scolded cat. Now, can McCallan catch him?
That's the question. He's got to get past both Hoffman, both Roger Bennett. And that's going to be the problem. I think that's going to where Hoffman's challenge is going to come from. If anybody, it's going to come from McCallan if he can catch up. And I think Philip's best bet is at the back of the circuit where he's very, very
真係4架車一字排可以翻入嚟啦。佢要即係何夫曼咧有少少嘅佔先優勢，但係佢呢個第二麥卡倫後邊都係過啊，過咗架先，係啦，佢一架過啦。矮仔上樓梯啊，實啦。咁啊，哇！呢個何夫曼咧喺一上從咧掉頭望啊，我望後邊睇啲車咧追成點先。因為麥卡倫其實可能佢而家係心驚麥卡倫㗎喎。
我都咁話啦。
因為麥卡倫已經進佔到第3位㗎啦。
因為佢由後邊殺上嚟咧，你應該知佢嗰個氣勢好多㗎。
咁而家已經行緊第4圈㗎啦，完成咗3圈嘅比賽啊。咁啊，麥卡倫咧就做咗最快嘅時間喎，喺第3圈咧就係佢最快時間咧就2分35啊，2分36.864。咁啊，同其他嘅車咧快佢啲啲咁樣。
fastest lap to him, 2:35. But let me remind you
咁
that
上路咧，如果你
in
真係過咧，都唔
Andy
係
Hoffman, and
唔
there's
係咁
no
容易。
qualifying
因為
tyres
好容易俾
here.
人頂住。
And McCallum will be on the inside
而
as
家
they
咧，下
come
次俾咧
down
就頂住
to
啊！嗱，
the
睇到啦，
Malco
我哋喺呢個
hairpin,
麥卡倫
and
嘅
that's
車度咧
going
望出
to
去啊！
put pressure
咁
on
啊前
Sean
邊咧見到
Higby.
嘅十
No
高即係下次
qualifying
俾
tyres here. The
啊
man
睇到
out
啦
in front, Andy Hoffman, he can do 2:32.
哇，將佢好
That's
緊
why
喎真係。
McCallum has to move early, and I think he'll make his move coming into the Malco down at the bottom of this now in about 2 more seconds. As we see here, he'll
咁
come
大家睇到
round
咧，佢
here.
係
Now he'll try and
喺
make
車
his
頭左
move
邊咧有個
either
Fly to
there
Macau
or
嘅字樣
at
啊，
the
大
next
家
part
睇到啦。
downhill.
咁
And I'll
啊
tell you what will happen here as well. If
睇呢個澳
McCallum
門機
does
場
go
咧做一個
through,
宣
there's a
傳啊，
Scotsman
都
who
係
would like to use that
好啦
same
咁
little
啊。
gap that he might make for himself. There's Roger Bennett sitting
前
right
邊位喂，何
on
夫
Philip
曼咧
McCallum's
似乎
tail.
就
And
走
Stringer,
甩
I
咗
think,
少
has
少啊，
lost
走甩
a
咗少
place
少啊。
there, maybe to Goodley. We'll see in a moment or two as they go over the line. It looked as though Ray
而
Stringer
家翻嚟咧係
got
二
back
三
to
四位咧
sixth,
就
and David Goodley
個增
had
速咧係
climbed up the
緊湊好多。
You're right, Hoffman's going off into the distance. McCallum still chasing hard here on Higby, and I think he'll probably have him on the next lap. Looking a little bit further down, you mentioned Stringer, also Goodley having a good race, but Chuck Grace has come up well, number 34 from the United States, didn't qualify well, but up to 8, just ahead of Simon Beck.
Yeah, let's give credit though to this crazy young Swiss boy on a 600 Honda. This is a
如
super
果攀到
sport
上
car.
第二位咧，就完全唔同
So
啦，因為咧
Hoffman
佢
pulling
變
out
得
as
追
he
係追
goes
第一
down
嗰個
towards the
啊。
Mandarin again. No time for
但係
Cakes
如果你話
today,
形
but
勢上咧，俾何夫曼一路
Down
咁
and
樣拉
chasing
開
and
咗
of
咧，
course Higby, we
咁
shouldn't
就
count him out. Higby's
比
racing
較
very well at the
後邊嘅
moment.
車幾
Been
難
no
追㗎
time
咯
for
喎。
Cakes at the
我相信
Mandarin
麥嘉倫
Oriental. There's
喺呢個
always
圈裏
time
邊
for
咧
Cakes
係
to tea at
盡
the
量
Mandarin Oriental.
個19
Here
號
comes
嘅下
Higby
次俾
trying
喺進
desperately
修方面
to
咧
hold off
靠佢
Philip
嘅車路
McCallum
會成咧
and Roger Bennett, and look at that.
俾
That
壓迫呢個
900 Suzuki's quick. Here comes McCallum though, late on the brakes. Higby sweeps across his
好有機會
bow.
啦。
No chance
咁啊
there.
已經係佢哋
But
跑緊
McCallum
第五
was
圈㗎啦，
quick.
完成咗
But
4
that
圈。
Suzuki's got some oomph.
咁啊秩序咧依
Certainly
然係不
has,
變
and
啦
you。can see
而家
that
見到咧第二位啊，
Philip
下
is
次
being
俾。
rather tentative with Higby. He is the unknown equation in this race at the moment. He's
咩
not
咧？我
quite
哋嘅
sure
內置
what
攝
he's
影
going
機
to
咧，
do,
時
so
不時
he's
會
going
係
to
利用
bide his
佢
time a little,
呢個內
make
置攝
sure
影
he's
機俾
got the
大家
gap
欣
and
賞
he's
下個
sure
角
of
度。
it.
咁啊，
He's
有時
very
內置
close
咧，
now
佢
as they get
喺
into
架
the
車上
20th
邊
part
咧
of the circuit.
係始終
Up
係有
past
時嘅電訊
the
咧
Gear
係好高
Hotel
速
there.
喎，可
Right
能
at the top of
咧
this
或者
gear
有
hill
少少
and
畫
on
面
this
咧會
circuit.
係
It's so
清楚
much
大
fun
家
to
都
watch.
見
You
到。
really get the best out of
係
these
啊，喺直
riders.
山上路
And
方面啦，
every year they
呢
put
個
on a
麥卡倫
superb show for us.
係
And once
盡量
again,
揾
it
機
looks
會
like
係過呢個
McCallum's
19
going to
號
do
嘅
it
下次
again.
俾。
Right, fastest lap on lap 4,
佢都揾到好多即係
2:33.99.
後邊，但係
He's
佢
getting
跟
into
住
lap
佢。
record
心裏有
pace.
數啦，
We
彎
know
比
he
較
can
弱
get
啲
into
啊
the
佢。
2:32s, and
因為
that
已經
would
跟
be
咗佢幾個圈
virgin
啊，
territory
知道
as
晒
far
佢啦
as two-wheel racing
嘅問
goes
題上，佢
here.
過完呢屆之
Qualified
後
at 2:32.
有冇把握
Nobody's
再
ever
追
done
住何夫曼
2:32
呢？
in a race.
問好嚟
同埋如果佢呢度糾纏得太耐咧，就俾何夫曼咧係走甩咗啦，太遠咧佢又係一個難題嚟。
而家喺呢邊之前啊，我應該就會盡量去過佢，而家係貼住晒㗎。
And he's got a
後邊嘅
motorcycle
賓
that
納
when
咧
he
亦都係
twists that
啄
right
好
hand,
緊㗎喎，呢
boy,
三架
does it
車啊！
take
我
off.
相信麥嘉倫
Certainly does. A very powerful bike
係
indeed. And as you mentioned earlier, he
過唔過
rides in the
19號，
States
係懷自己
on
根本可
Harley
唔可以
Davidson.
追
Not
追
drop
埋前
handle
面嗰
ones,
追翻何夫曼
I
啊！
add, but
咁所以佢如果越早過到呢個下次比咧，就對佢追何夫曼就越有利。如果佢越遲咧，就變咗何夫曼咧就一路係咁擺出嚟咧，就睇嚟冠軍都在望啦。
因為而家睇走勢咧，19係真係有啲
Let's just remind you
阻
how
咗
good
啊！
Philip McCallum is.
因為
He's
佢上呢個位
been
係啦，
many years, but 3 years ago,
個
he
賽
was
事已經
third.
接近
2
一
years
半，完成
ago,
一半㗎
he
啦。
was
翻嚟咧
second.
再
1
過
year
起點咧
ago,
就已
he
經係
was
一
the
半㗎
winner.
啦，已經
He
係跑
knows
緊第半
how
圈
to
㗎啦。
get onto the podium at the Macau Motorcycle Grand Prix.
There's Hoffman again. You can see the gap.
Hasn't he? He's gone.
好啦，而家
Now,
2、3位
can
真
Philip
真係
even
好
if
激烈
Philip
啦！
gets past, and he's so the only chance
呢
Philip
扎
may
咧就後
have
邊嘅車啊
is passing Higby
比較
on
似
the
一扎嘅
twin
車啦
because that
排第16位㗎啦，40路車就
Yamaha, which is
係
now
基斯賓奴啊，法國嘅
5 or 6
車手。
years old, is quick quick, but I don't think it's quick as that 900 Suzuki.
It's definitely
佢已經咧同
slower
前
on
邊咧
the
係
long straights,
係
but
一段好
quicker
大
out
嘅
of
距
those
離啊！
tight corners,
差
and
咗好
that's
多
where
秒
he's going to
啦，
have
好
his
大啊！
advantage.
你哋陪太子
But
讀
I've
書
got a
呢
feeling
啲
that Philip may be able to get by Higby, but he won't be able to catch Hoffman at this point. I was talking to Peter Rabada about how
哇！一
this
隻就
bike
望到
could
啦，
be
係
so
呢個
fast. And
何
Peter
夫曼
just
啊！
laughed and said, "Oh, you know, it's quite
嗱
normal."
而
He
家
said,
咧
"Actually, if
嚇
I'd have been
差唔多啦，去
racing
到
7
直
years
路
ago,
4分
I'd have
3
been
咧
on the
先
front
至
row with
其
the
他
time
車
I've
入
got. Here
啊！
comes
嚟咗麥嘉
McCallum. He's
倫
going to make a move on
平排
Higby.
咗
Oh,
過
he's
過
got
到
it.
應
He's
該
on the
過咗
inside,
啦，
forced his way past,
係啦
puts。himself in front.
咦，
Just at the
下
line
一個目
moment
標係
to
再
stop
向前
before
面
they
追到
heel
好慢㗎
一
into
等
啦
急上啦，
very, very
只要望到得㗎啦
dangerous
嚇。
Lisboa corner. There goes
而家嘅賽
McCallum
事
up
落
to
嚟剩
second
翻嚟
now.
5 個
Roger
圈嘅
Bennett
賽
is
事。
a
5個圈都有啲機會
I
嘅。
thought he would
係啊
have tried to stay on the short tails of Philip McCallan, Jonathan. I
希
would
望
have
麥嘉
thought
倫
he
咧
would
係
have
盡
wanted
量
to
發
go
揮佢
through.
嘅車
Now
喺上路
McCallan
嘅
has got a
即
clear
係嘅靈活性。
而家對佢都好似因為佢過埋呢個阿哲比，佢唔使俾阿哲比 block 住喎，唔使俾人擋住喎。
佢心話早啲俾我過就仲好啦。
佢早啲俾佢過咧，佢夠時間去再追嘛。因為而家前面呢個何夫曼咧，同呢個阿哲比同第2位嘅時間咧，相差有冇6秒左右啦。
6秒對於嚟講都好辛苦去追啦。
咁如果佢早幾個圈能夠過到佢當時咧，都係3秒左右啦。
3-4秒都
有機會，有機會。
大家望唔到佢添啊，真係死啦！
係啊係啊。咁一落到直路咧就。 又完全係接唔知個力着數啊，馬力大係嘛？
即係何夫曼嘅車咧，就
咁頭
先見到咧係呢個車有個車手咧，23號嘅車手咧，沙亞爾咧就相當之有體育精神啦。
有楊我過咗啦，
見到麥嘉倫一樣，佢養晒手啊嘛，
俾啲人係嘛？
呢個車手咧係舊年嘅冠軍啦。咁好有名㗎呢個車手咧，現年都係33歲啊，見到佢，咁亦都係好身經百戰嘅車手嚟㗎啦。咁啊屬於北愛爾蘭人嚟㗎。咁啊喺澳門賽道咧，佢真係絕不陌生啊，因為佢嘅第9次咧係參加呢個賽事㗎啦。
呢個東望洋跑道裏邊嘅上客嚟啦。
Who's done so much to catch up with Joe? I don't think he'll ever catch him in terms of records. Drama again at the Melco.
Some good racing going on further down the
因為而家我哋觀眾方面咧就好關心究竟呢個麥嘉倫可唔可以追到呢個2號嘅何夫曼咧？
係啊，咁嗱，大家嚟講就得啦。個圈之後咧，何夫曼咧係排第1位啦。咁啊，呢個阿哲比咧個圈之後仲排緊第2位，但係咧喺第6個圈入葡圈關嗰個位置咧就已經係俾人過咗啦嚇，俾第2位嘅麥嘉倫過咗。咁而家咧賽事已經進行咗6個圈，完成咗6個圈啦。咁啊，麥嘉倫同埋何夫曼之間咧有7.7嘅距離喎，7.7秒喎，
又遠咗啲咯喎。
睇嚟唔係咁容易追到喎。
佢若果呢個麥嘉倫能夠係早少少上到嚟咧，佢形勢亦都係唔同啦。我相信而家係想追何夫曼咧就比較困難好多啦。但係世事好難料咧，賽車啲嘢啊。
咁啊，未到圈都未知嘅嚇。 咪亦都試過呢啲車手啊，經過幾次意外之後咧，燃油就計算錯，咁啊臨到終點線又要推車過去，咁推唔推得切咧嚇？係啊，
個跑車就係咁噶啦，
呢個先係趣味性啊嘛！
你跑最快，你邊你最贏啊？係啊，最後嗰個圈過咗格仔期，你知嘅要贏。
準備得最好、最有信心，亦都未必會贏。
係啦係啦，
講話朗正啊嗰啲啊，年年都準備好足㗎，但係年年都攞唔到啊！
呢個運數嚟㗎啦。
好啦，咁啊前面麥嘉倫咧依然咧冇放棄啊！咁啊雖然話爭成呢個7秒啊，但係咧一定要向前面。佢而家最先嘅目標希望咧追到見到個車尾先。
係啦，見唔到車尾之後冇得去追，望唔到。但佢好有鬥心去追㗎。
因為後邊嘅車如果俾佢甩開咗咧係1秒啊到呢個2之間。
American privateer on the podium at Macau.
咁啊前邊打落何夫曼咧，嗱睇睇入彎咧都未見後邊車啊，
未見啊！佢而家都唔係話管得好盡嘅啫喎。
佢最快嘅成績咧就係呢個2分33秒964，就喺第4圈做出嚟㗎。
咁呢個成績就算唔係話太理想啦，因為佢冇乜壓力喺度啦，
啄唔到個尾啊！
咁如果麥嘉倫係上到嚟同佢黐住咧，佢呢個時間會更加好快啲。
麥嘉倫早2至3個圈能夠過到呢個。 下節比咧，唔好俾下節比幫咗咁耐啊！
佢幫嗰時候2個圈幫起碼。
咁但係呢個麥嘉倫都好有耐心啊，因為佢幾中，因為如果佢貿貿然咧係又搶唔係又搶咧，
佢啲意外會發生啦，
係啦，分分鐘咧就要焗住退出添。後邊咧見到爆車賓納啦，咁啊10個車下節比，呢個咧就係3、4位啊，3、4位之爭啊！
Well, Felix Teixeira, that's the first time he's racing this race, and it's going to be brilliant result by him. He's done great in the Super Race, the Super Challenge before now, but this is his first time out with the big boys.
何夫曼就一於有理冇理，佢啊慢慢嚟啦。
因為佢時間真係黐